Hello friends, granite is a variety of natural stone that is made from cooling liquid magma in the earth for many years under extreme pressure. This slow and high pressure process results in granite, an igneous stone that is particularly strong and hard. Granite is made up of minerals such as quartz and feldspar, which contribute to its characteristic sparkle. Uses: granite is generally used in kitchen, bathroom, porch, reception, staircases, monuments, external cladding, outside the house, etc. Advantages of granite flooring: durability. Granite is a hard stone that is virtually impossible to break. With proper care, granite flooring will last a lifetime and will remain in great condition. Granite flooring can be stained when spills are not cleaned up right away. But the good news is that granite is easy to clean. It is recommended that granite flooring be swept and lightly mopped every few days to avoid staining. Granite is also scratch and heat resistant. Hypoallergenic qualities. If you have asthma or any other allergies, granite is a fantastic flooring option for your home thanks to its resistance to bacteria and allergens. Value for money. Granite flooring installed in your home or office gives you excellent returns as they increase the monetary worth of your property. Resistance to water and moisture. Once properly sealed, granite is extremely resistant to water and moisture, which can damage your flooring and be harming to health. When cleaning your granite, wipe over with a clean damp cloth or mop and use warm soapy water for tougher stains. Avoid using ammonia, bleach or any cleaning products with solvents or caustics, as this will remove the sealant. Use in kitchens, bathrooms. Granite, when properly sealed, has excellent water resistance, contrary to hardwood and engineered hardwood flooring. Damage from pets and children. Good quality granite is not prone to scratches or scuffs. Do not fade when exposed to ultraviolet rays. Granite flooring is an excellent option to install in your porches, swimming pools, and other rooms that have direct sunlight as they do not fade when exposed to ultraviolet rays. Cool surface. The porous nature of granite enables you to relax your tired feet in the scorching summers. Children love to play on stone flooring as it tends to have a cool surface by absorbing the coolness of the air-conditioned room. Long lasting. Granite flooring can be installed in any area of your home or office as it is extremely dependable and long lasting. Beautiful appearance. Granite tiles have beautiful patterns and styles that stand out when installed. Granite tile installation takes some time, but once it is complete, your floor will look stunning. Granite tile floors come in bunch of different looks as well, making it possible to achieve a variety of styles. Low maintenance. Granite is less likely to crack or chip when compared to other flooring materials. It is highly durable and the hardest of all. Granite tile flooring is very easy to maintain over time, which is one of the best things about this flooring. If you want to invest in flooring that is not going to require regular upkeep other than sweeping and mopping occasionally, granite tile floors are good investment. Advantages of sealed granite flooring. Unsealed stones may look more natural, but their natural porosity make sealing highly advisable. Factory sealed granite flooring is currently standard. Most stones are now being sold pre-sealed. There are two types of sealing: topical sealers and penetrating sealers. Topical sealers are just topical. They may protect the surface of the stone for some time, but in the end they will not prevent the water or other liquids from entering the stone. Penetrating sealers provide an efficient barrier. They are the most advantageous. They will prevent water or other liquid from occupying the empty spaces of the stone for a long time. Drawbacks of installing granite flooring. Heavy flooring material. Granite is a very heavy flooring material, so it is very essential to determine whether stone flooring would suit your home or office. Skilled labor required for installation. Granite flooring needs to be installed with great care and professionally to give it an astounding visual appeal. sensitive to stains, spills and chemicals. Maintaining granite flooring can be time consuming and a very tough task as it is very delicate and sensitive to stains, spills and chemicals. Thickness. Thicker tiles are stronger, but they are also more expensive and heavier. If you want flooring that is going to last as long as possible, going with granite tile floors made from the thicker tiles is not a bad idea. But make sure your floors can withstand that kind of weight and that you are willing to pay the higher cost of thick granite tile flooring. To make the best decision, take a look at different granite tiles available and consider both the weights of each option, the price and the thickness to help you determine which one makes the most sense for you personally. Cutting the granite stone slab. Cutting granite stone is a very technical and hard process because granite is harder than other types of stones. A cutting blade can be used to cut 1200 square feet of marble, but granite is not similar to others. One cutting blade can only last up to 100 square feet. And in worst case scenario, not even that much. Generally, grinding to polishing is done with different kinds of stones from 0 to 7. Initial grinding of floor. The floor should be ground with granite grit from 0 to 3. Filling of the floor. After the initial grinding, some grout will have to be filled again with epoxy. Final grinding of the floor. After the filling process, one should wait for the filling to dry up and then the person should start grinding again with granite grit from 4 to 6. Polishing of floor. After the final grinding, one should start with the polishing process. Flooring should be polished using the polishing powder with a scrubbing pad. Generally used finishes in granite flooring. Polished granite. When granite is polished, it produces a high shine that is best suited for low traffic areas. Stone appears darker and the colors seem richer. Be aware that higher the polish, the more slippery tiles can be. Honed granite. Recommended for high traffic areas. Honed granite has more of a matte finish and is not reflective like polished granite. The finishing is also flatter than a full gloss polish. Flamed granite. For a highly textured and rough surface, a high intensity flame can be applied to the surface of the stone. Flamed granite is popular for outdoor applications. Brushed or leathered granite. The brush finish makes the granite surface appear closed, finely structured and silky. A leathered finish is most often used for countertops, vanities and outdoor applications. Material cost of granite per square feet. The rate of granite tile starts from 60 rupees per square feet in the market depending upon availability, type and thickness of granite. The rate of granite depends on the size of the grains in granite. If the size of grains in granite is small, then the rate will be high and vice versa. Labor cost for fixing granite. The labor cost is approximately 60 rupees per square feet including cutting, polishing and fixing at site. Cement sand bedding cost shall be extra. So friends, I hope you have got enough information about granite flooring now.